gonna rain. We're at the soccer game. We're at the soccer game right now. Bro, we're sorry, while the good. Bro, but look, it may be a tornado. Bro, this is not future. No future. It may rain. Hi, brother. What do you mean it will rain? Look at that! Bro, what do you have to say? So we're bored, so we don't know what to do, so we're just gonna do whatever. So my brother's gonna film me, don't mind. Bro, he's so stupid and dumb. He did not film that. I literally just did an aerial. I don't trust you, but okay, this silly guy. Bro, it's literally windy. Bro, it is gonna rain. Can you believe it? It's literally summer. We don't need something like rain. Rain? It's not even rain.